Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to be making a salad, 5-bean salad. It is absolutely delicious, this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So if we're going to make a 5-bean salad, I presume we're going to need 5 beans. So let's have a look at what I'm using. You can use whatever you want. Black-eyed peas, red kidney beans, chickpeas, haricot beans, which is what baked beans are made of, if you didn't know that, and butter beans. Now, I've used mine from a can. If you're going to use them from a can, give them a nice wash in cold water. Rinse them through. The water they're in is not so beautiful, is it? Of course, if you wanted, you could be boiling all of these, separately. I've got about 2 cups there of each. So I'm going to be adding 1 cup each of these here. Celery, spring onions, green onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. Bell pepper, nice red color there. And I'm using fresh mint. Now, you could put carrots in this, tomatoes in it, cucumbers in it. You can get some nuts in there. It's entirely up to you. You could use coriander, parsley as a herb. Entirely up to you. So that's what I'm using. So that's had a nice little mix. We're now going to add salt to taste, black pepper. I'm then going to add a teaspoon of cumin powder and a teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice, and 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. If you want, get some garlic in there or something like that, entirely up to you. I'm going to give that one last mix. It's done beautiful. And that's it. Very, very simple and really, really, really delicious. I've just had a mouthful of that. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.